In today's fast-evolving workplace, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a game changer. Yet many teams fail to fully embrace AI, often due to a fear that it will replace jobs. The reality? AI is a powerful tool that amplifies human potential, streamlines tasks, and unlocks creativity. To transform your team into AI champions, it's very important to foster a culture that embraces technology through education, empowerment, and celebration. Here's some ideas on how to make this happen. Firstly, it's important to address the elephant in the room, the fear of jobs. A recent survey by Deloitte revealed that 50% of AI implementation failures stem directly from employee resistance, often rooted in misconceptions about AI's role. Shift the narrative. Focus on showcasing AI as a collaborator and not a competitor. For example, explain how AI can automate repetitive tasks like data entry, scheduling, etc., freeing up team members to focus on strategic, creative work, the type of work that they like to do and we all like to do. Share real-world examples. So how marketing teams may well use AI to analyze customer data, enabling better campaigns, sharper campaigns, while sales teams can interact more effectively with your clients. Transparency about AI's role within the workplace fosters trust and sets the stage for a great implementation. Secondly, equip your team with hands-on training for their roles. So generic AI tutorials just won't cut it. Instead, customize your sessions to reflect the real-world applications within your business. So for example, if you have a team which is focusing on sales and marketing, focus your training on your CRM system. How can you utilize your CRM system more effectively? How can you get better data from your CRM system? How can you get better insights from your CRM system? How can you use the data within your CRM system through AI in order to help you to serve your clients much better, to understand what your clients are doing, understand which clients need more care, which clients need more attention from you going forward in order to help you achieve your goals in terms of getting greater traction and greater feedback with those clients. Thirdly, to sustain momentum, celebrate your success. Talk about those tangible wins. Talk about how AI saved 10 hours a week on administrative tasks, or boosted response times, or helped you with customer inquiries in order to serve your clients 24/7. Introduce these type of stories within your team meetings or internal letters to inspire other people, and recognize success. So when people do a good job, celebrate it. Create maybe an AI Innovator of the Month award in order to showcase employees who are creatively integrating AI within their workplace in terms of what they do in order to make themselves in the organization so much more productive and doing the type of things that everyone wants to be doing. Fourthly, think about appointing an AI champion within the team. So this AI champion can act as a go-to resource, helping to share tips, encouraging adoption, helping to identify opportunities. Choose someone that's enthusiastic about technology and respected by their peers, and empower them with the training required in order to understand more about AI, in order to access these tools so that they can guide their colleagues through their various challenges that you will have as a result of your implementation. And lastly, create a feedback loop to keep the whole process dynamic. So show success and show on firm-wide platforms what's going on, but also not just publicize things, but look to receive the feedback back. So the best people to explain how AI is working or not are ultimately your clients and your team. They're the ones that use it on a day-to-day basis. They're the ones that understand what works well and what doesn't work well. In the previous video, we talked a little bit about how starting small but thinking big is important in terms of your projects. So with that in mind, when you look at your first initial projects, really analyze and see how well they're going. Get that feedback from people, because ultimately their feedback is so important in helping you to understand what's working well and what's not working well. We've talked previously about KPIs, and KPIs are very much part of that feedback process, but also understand what's happening on the ground from people, and then that makes things so much more powerful. So lastly, just to sum up, addressing fears, providing practical training, celebrating wins, appointing champions, and fostering feedback. These are all good things to help transform your team into AI champions. The result is a much more effective AI implementation for you, your team, and your customers as well. Hopefully you found this video interesting, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.